Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download ZenLedger for cost basis reporting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL, zenledger.io. Press the enter key to navigate to the ZenLedger website. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started button prominently displayed. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in the required fields with your information. This typically includes your name, email address, and a password. After completing the form, look for the Sign Up or Create Account button. Click this button to create your account. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from ZenLedger. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the ZenLedger website. Log in using the email and password you just created. After logging in, you will be taken to your dashboard. From here, find the option for Downloads in the main menu. Click on Downloads to access the software download page. Choose the version of ZenLedger that is compatible with your operating system. For Windows users, click on the Windows download link. For Mac users, click on the Mac download link. The download will begin automatically. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installation file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, open ZenLedger from your Applications folder or desktop shortcut. You are now ready to start using ZenLedger for your cost basis reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.